Thanks for joining me with those details. And now moving on. Now the update from SIR hearing in SC CJI warns registry not to accept fresh publicity pleas. Justice Bagchi says migration is economically driven and not a domestic concept alone. CJI cites plight of migrant farm workers, says many arrive in Punjab in tears. Bench notes SIR being done after 20 years, cautions against excessive procedural objections. CJI says annual repetition of electoral roll copy-pasting cannot be allowed. Courts seek balanced approach. I have Belly Thomas. All right, we're going to try and connect with my colleague Belly Thomas very shortly, viewers. But in the meantime, let me give you this, of course, breaking news that's coming in. And there's an update from SIR hearing in CJI warns registry not to accept fresh publicity pleas. I have Sambhav Sharma joining me with more details. Sambhav, what more can you tell us?
Well, in a detailed special intensive revision hearing in the Supreme Court, the petition challenging this particular SIR exercise by the Election Commission of India, and here the Chief Justice of India in every question warned registry not to accept fresh quote-unquote publicity petitions, and also here the bench noted that SIR being done after 20 years in a way cautioned against excessive procedural objections. Chief Justice of India Surikant says that annual repetition of the electoral roll in a way copy-pasting cannot be allowed, and court seeks a kind of balanced approach. And also the CJI said that SIR should not be overburdened in a way with procedural objections after being undertaken for the first time in 20 years. And has also noted that SIR cannot become an annual exercise, and excessive technical intervention in a way is unwarranted. And CJI also want the blindly copy-pasting of electoral rolls year after year, and as per CJI, this would defeat the purpose of this SIR, this revision exercise. And also Justice Jamal Bagchi, the two-judge bench, which is hearing this SIR petition in the Supreme Court, Justice Jamal Bagchi called this court's questioning in a way dialectical, and it's only meant to evoke a meaningful response. This was SIR hearing in the Supreme Court, where detailed arguments were made in the top court in a petition challenging the SIR.
All right, Sambhav, thanks for joining me with those details. And now moving on, now in Bangalore, history sheet